What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I'm returning with another banger, another amazing recipe for you all to enjoy. We are gonna be making some cilantro, lime, shrimp, scampi, baby. These are everything. These are amazing. These are so delicious, and I cannot wait for you all to give it a try. Let's not waste any time and get right on into the recipe. Let go. So of course you want to begin with your shrimp. I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil on them and giving them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. You know we got to season it up proper. On the screen I have listed everything to do so, and it will be in the description box as well. We are using some red Argentine shrimp for this recipe right here, but you could use any shrimp of your choosing. This is about 1.5 pounds. They have that red coat to them, almost looking like they're already cooked, but trust me, they are not. They're raw. That's just how they come. I think they're really good in comparison to any other shrimp. Moving on, I have my pan to about a medium high. I drizzle a little bit of oil into the pan, and we're gonna just drop our shrimp right on in. If you know shrimp, they cook very quickly, so I'm gonna let it go for about, let's say, 2 to 2.5 minutes per side. And right here is that time where I am giving it a flip. We are looking so good so far. You want to go ahead and cook the other side, like I said, for that same time frame, and then we're going to remove them from the heat as we move on to the next step. Now that our shrimp is removed, you want to go ahead and lower your heat to about a medium, and we're tossing in some minced garlic as well as some chopped up shallots. Go ahead and get that into the pan just like so. Let that amazing aroma hit the air. After you let that go for a little bit, we are then gonna toss in a little bit of white wine. Let me be honest, I eyeballed it, let's say about 1/4 cup. Go ahead and get that into a pan. I dropped a little bit in there and dropped a little bit more. I would say it's about 1/4 cup. But go ahead and mix it up like so. We're also going to toss in about, let's say, 2 to 3 tablespoons of some unsalted butter. You want all that to melt down. Once we have all that in the pan so far, we're going to move on and drop in a little bit of lime juice, baby. Some freshly squeezed lime juice. The juice of about 1 lime. I did go back and added like 1 more half a lime, so 1.5 in total, because I feel like it just needed a little bit more, but obviously that varies with just like the size of the lime itself. But you want to go ahead and get that into the pan. Once your lime juice is in there, we're also gonna toss in some of that freshly chopped cilantro. You want to go ahead and get that in there. Give it a mix, guys and gals. This is looking, smelling, tasting so good so far. And now it is time to reintroduce your shrimp. Go ahead and grab your shrimp and toss them right into this goodness and just mix them up. Get them well coated in this delicious sauce right here. Let me tell you, this right here goes well with pasta, goes well with rice, or you could just eat it on its own. Simply amazing. This is one of those recipes that literally leave you at a loss for words. Trust and believe me, it is that freaking good. I'm just tossing a little bit more cilantro right over the top, and you are pretty much ready to bust down. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video right here. This one is special, okay? Bomb.freaking.com. 10 out of 10, must try again and again. If you're new to the channel, of course, hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell. That is the only way for you to get notified every time I upload another one of these awesome recipes. Leave me a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content. Comment down below, let me know what you think about today's video, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.